Hey guys, Fishy here, and we need to have a talk about Mason Logan. Who's Mason Logan, you ask? Let me show you. This is a post that Mason Logan made in largest group ever, and it's a Keanu Reeves fake quote about Trump. And I know that it's fake because I've looked it up before, and I searched on it, Keanu quote Trump, and the first links that come up are factcheck.org, PolitiFact, Business2Community, all saying that this is fake. And if you look at the Business2Community link, it tells you where it's come from. There's particular sites that have been pushing it. So I know it's a fake quote. When I see a fake quote, I wonder who is sharing this fake quote. Is this someone who's been duped, or is this someone planting fakery in Facebook groups on purpose? So I looked into Mason Logan. This is Mason. Nice little family. She's got nice husband. I mean, they're all cute and everything. Studied at UCLA, went to San Jose Academy, lives in Jacksonville, Florida, from Los Angeles, California. Okay, all that's plausible. But let's just look down through this feed. Here's some Trump-related posts, Ivanka Trump, pictures from Ivanka again, family photos, more family photos. They're so cute, aren't they? They're adorable. And we keep scrolling down, more family photos. And then this shows up. Okay. And then this. And this. So, yeah, this is what Mason Logan was interested in before Mason Logan put all her family photos up. Okay, that's comforting. Every soul will taste death. Yeah, that could be read a bunch of different ways. So I decided to dig into Mason Logan. Mason Logan's posts. Here we have into pro-Trump groups. Here's the Keanu quote shared 1, 2, 3, 4 times, 4 different groups. Other Trump-related posts, etc. More in the largest group ever. These other little photos. And we keep scrolling down to the things that Mason Logan posts. There's a whole bunch of family stuff posted at once through March and April of this year. And then February, we have this other stuff. So sometime between February and March, Mason Logan went from a Pakistani male to a white American female. That's interesting. Here's the groups that we have for Mason Logan. Friends Who Like Trump, We the Deplorable, Trump is Our 45th President. Not a whole bunch of groups. Some Tomi Lahren groups, things like that. That's where Mason Logan is going to be operating. When we find out places visited by Mason Logan, tags that Mason Logan has had, you know where they are? They're clustered here. Where could that be? Where could that be? In Pakistan, Karachi, Lahore, Islamabad. Here's your outlier of Los Angeles. And then all these other places that are in Pakistan. That's kind of messy. Somebody forgot to delete their profile stuff when they changed to be a American male, female. Here are the posts by, the photos by Mason Logan family, this sort of stuff, and then this weird stuff. Yeah, she's had some kind of crazy conversion here. Interesting pictures. Here's photos of Mason Logan, tagged here in these, tagged with this one, and then this guy. And somebody saying, nice picture, nice brother, and he says, thanks. And this one down here, same thing again, nice and thanks, same guy. What really nailed it for me, here's a photo that Mason Logan commented on. Nice looking, or locking, really. Nice kiss. And then Princess Honey Ali, whose photo this is, I believe, is saying, thanks, friend Asif Ali. And Mason says, welcome, dear. If you hover over Asif Ali, there's Mason Logan. So now we know who the guy is who is now running this fake profile of Mason Logan. It's Asif Ali. Just a little bit of detective work. It's more than most people would do, and I understand that. But by showing you, you can help me show Facebook that they've got to get better at this. So share and let people know there's tools out there to detect this stuff, and I must be better at it than Facebook seems to be. It's so frustrating.